So with Kimi, what you can also do is get help with negotiation. Let's say, for example, I'm saying I am organizing a party and they are charging me $5,000 $5,000 for hosting 200 people. How do I negotiate to get them to lower the price? So if I were to actually go ahead and then say this, then Kimi will actually analyze this, and it says negotiating a lower price for hosting a party can be a bit tricky. And it says, but with the right approach, you might be able to get a better deal. So it says research and benchmark. So compare prices and the industry standard there are and highlight the value right here. And it says be flexible, just like this. So once you do this, you can see it says highlight your budget constraints as well, just like this, and offer to help as well. Promote the venue and then maybe assist the setup, and then negotiate incrementally. Start with a lower offer and be prepared to compromise as well. And it says be polite and professional, and here is what you have. It even provided a sample script for you. For example, it says, hi, thank you for meeting with me today. I really love your venue and I'm excited about hosting a party here. However, I have to be honest that the current price is a bit higher than what I had budgeted for. I've done some research and I found that similar venues are offering comparable services at a lower rate. Venue representative would then say, I understand your concern. Can you tell me more about your budget? And I say, I was hoping to keep it around $4,000. I believe this is a fair price given the market rates and the services you offer. I'm also willing to be flexible with the date and time of the event. Additionally, I can help promote the venue on social media and through my network, which could bring more business in the future. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. And that is how you can get help with negotiations in Kimi. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.